Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautifully light, non-greasy, natural Selfie ready primer. Now this product also contains some soft focus properties. It also absorbs sebum, so you get a beautiful matte effect to the skin. And the great news is too, you know how sometimes when you use a primer with a foundation, you get that little balling up effect on the skin? Well, the way I've created this product, you won't have that happen with your foundation. Now in this formula, I am using some materials that you get from larger suppliers, but don't worry if you're a small brand. You can join our Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands Facebook group and post in there to find others in your region that will split a pack with you. And that way you can create this natural Selfie ready primer using those materials without needing to waste any product. So let me show you how to put it together. Here's the product we're going to be making today, and you can see it comes out as a beautiful serum consistency and has a beautiful soft focus and mattifying effect on application. Your makeup will also go really easily over the top of this. It's not at all greasy or sticky after application. Now contact us for full details of the formula and materials. What I have here is one of the incredible sensory materials in the formula, and this is Grand Sense TC8X. It's a totally bio-based green material, and to this I'm going to add some liquid emollients. Now some of these materials have got partial volatility, which provides some of that beautiful silky and dry afterfeel, so the product does not feel greasy at all on application. I'm just going to stir these through until it's nice and homogeneous. And then I'm just going to add some antioxidant, some essential oil, and a little bit of plant oil too. And just give it another stir. Now next I'm going to add my mattifying and soft focus ingredient. This is the Gran Powder BBP 700 by Grant Industries. And there you go, I've created my beautiful, natural, Selfie ready primer. Now this primer can be used under silicone-based, oil-based, and even water-based foundation, and even your loose and pressed powders effectively. If you're curious about the use of silicons in cosmetics, please watch my video which explains all about silicons in cosmetics, as well as my video on natural silicone alternatives. This formula is completely natural if you'd like to use more natural ingredients in your formulations. Remember to contact us for full details of this formulation method and suppliers, and remember to join our Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands Facebook group so you can start using some of these amazing materials in your formulas to really have that strong point of difference and performance advantage. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!